If you want to learn what is the importance of interrogative keywords in SEO content writing, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs, and in today's lecture we will explore what is the importance of interrogative keywords in SEO content writing with examples to understand better. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Now, let's get to the heart of today's topic. Why asking questions in your keywords is so important for SEO content writing. We will go through 7 important reasons and I will show you real life examples to help you understand why they matter. First, we have precise user alignment. Interrogative keywords directly align your content with user-specific queries. For example, a user searching for how to bake a chocolate cake finds your detailed recipe guide when you have incorporated this keyword. Next, we have enhanced user engagement. Questions naturally engage users by offering solutions to their problems. For example, an article titled "Why is regular exercise important?" engaged health-conscious readers seeking answers. Next, we have positioning as an authority. Addressing users' questions positions your content as an authoritative and trustworthy source. For example, a well-answered "What are the latest smartphone trends?" establishes your track blog credibility. Next, we have diverse content coverage. Interrogative keywords enable you to cover a wide range of topics and queries within your niche. For example, by addressing how to start a vegetable garden and when to plant tomatoes, your gardening blog caters to various gardening enthusiasts. Next, we have improved SEO ranking. Search engines favor content that answers user queries effectively, potentially boosting your SEO rankings. For example, your travel blog addressing where to find hidden gems in Italy may rank higher for Italy travel related searches, right? Next, we have content versatility. The use of interrogative keywords allow you to repurpose and adapt your content for different audience segments. For example, a blog post about why is climate change a concern can be adapted for readers interested in environmental issues. Last, we have better user experience. Providing direct answers to user questions enhances the overall user experience, increasing trust in your content. A user seeking how to fix a leaky faucet appreciates your step-by-step guide with clear instructions. In conclusion, we can say that interrogative keywords are a potent tool for SEO content writing. They precisely cater to user inquiries, enrich the user experience, and empower you to provide accurate and relevant information. In our upcoming lessons, we will learn advanced technique for SEO content writing. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining Lecture 18, where we explored the significance of interrogative keywords in SEO content writing. If you are seeking exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.